أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Okay, we are starting with lesson number 21 inshallah today, and we are doing Sulasi Mazid Fihi Abwab, right? Yani extensions to the triliteral abwab inshallah we are doing, and we have reached till bab 6 today. But before that I would like to have just names revision from the beginning. So Khadija, would you please tell us which was the first bab?
Yes, the first one
Yeah,
was
we will do
fa'ala.
Madi, Mudare,
Fa'ala.
Masdar. Madi, Mudare, Masdar. These three things only. Yeah, keep saying.
Okay. So fa'ala, the first one.
Fa'ala. Fa'ala.
Fa'ala. Okay, fa'ala. And the mudare is yufa'alu. And the masdar is taf'ilun. And the second bab was af'ala. And the mudare is yuf'ilu. And the masdar is if'alun. Then the third bab was fa'ala. And the mudare was yufa'ilu. And the masdar, there were two patterns for the masdar. One was mufa'alatun and fi'alun.
Yes.
Then the fourth one was tafa'ala.
And now
the mudare was, yes.
We just added
it was just an
ta,
add, a ta on the bab
with
one.
first bab, yeah.
Yeah. Then the mudare was yatafa'alu.
No, yatafa'alu. Yatafa'alu.
Yatafa'alu.
Yatafa'alu.
Tafa'alu. And the masdar was
tafa'ulun. Tafa'ulun. Yeah. Yani, just fi'l madi, right? Fi'l madi, and we same, but we add the fi'l madi was the. If I write it for you people, it might be easy.
Yes.
Because even I today, Khadija, I wrote with me all these from the beginning, right? Because I told you, these babs I have not done with my sheikh. We are studying together. We are struggling to do it together, right? So ta'allam.
Yes.
Ta'allam matlab with struggle to learn something, right? Remember?
This one is the concept of struggle, the bab 4.
Yes, the concept of struggle is there. Doing something by myself, by yourself. That concept is there in bab tafa'ul. So I wrote for me also these three abwab, and I will suggest everyone to write it down. Yani, okay, bab number 1, and write down fa'ala yufa'ilu taf'ilun. Bab 2, af'ala yuf'ilu if'alun. Bab 3, fa'ala yufa'ilu fi'alun or mufa'alatun, right? And bab 4. So now bab 4, yes, we were saying that first bab is fa'ala, right? Fa'ala. Yes, now so here, yes, fa'ala. Yes, you can explain here how we made it.
By adding a ta in front of it.
Bilkul, exactly. Just
prefixing
a ta we added. Ta fa'ala, right? So this has become tafa'ala. But mudare will be yata.
The ain will be in fatahats.
Yatafa'alu. Yatafa'alu. Same, yani same pattern. Ain, whatever ain here was the fatha, here also. Yatafa'alu. Because normal fi'l mudare is with dhamma. But the other one which we had written before, that was fa'ala, hai na? Where we prefixes ta. That was fa'ala. Fa'ala. And what was mudare? Mudare was yufa'ilu.
Yufa'ilu.
Yes. Sorry, not here. Yufa'ilu. Yeah. This one. Fa'ala yufa'ilu. This was the first one, right? Fa'ala yufa'ilu. This was the first one, but here we added a ta, tafa'ala, that has become bab number 4, but yatafa'alu. So the difference is there, here we are adding a kasra, but here the same fatha is there. This is the difference. Fa'ala yufa'ilu, but tafa'ala yatafa'alu, right? And it was pointed out by Khadija, mashallah. Okay, so let's go to the next bab number. Tafa'ala yatafa'alu. What is the mudarif masdar for that?
Tafa'ulun.
Exactly. And it's very interesting that only tafa'ala, see tafa'ala, same word, but we just change the harakat. Yani tafa'ala, we say tafa'ulun, and it becomes its masdar, right? Nothing else is changed.
Yes.
Tafa'ala is past tense, and tafa'ulun is masdar for that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this was bab number 4. Now bab number 5. Yes. What was bab number 5?
Tafa'ala.
And that is the a prefix to fa'ala. Bab number 3.
Yes.
We did bab
3.
number 3 was fa'ala. And what was its mudari? Fa'ala yufa'ilu.
Yufa'ilu.
Fa'ala yufa'ilu. And again, here we have kasra on ayn kalima. Yufa'ilu. Fa'ala yufa'ilu. But here, now what we are adding? Tafa'ala. Ta. Tafa'ala. And it will be yata. Yatafa'alu. Again, instead of kasra, it's fatha. Tafa'ala, yatafa'alu, and masdar is tafa'ulun.
Tafa'ulun.
Yes, same as I told you before.
Same like that.
Just fail madi pattern, but we are just giving dhamma here and tanween here. Tafa'ulun. It's very easy. Only fail madi pattern is there, but just we change the movement. Tafa'ulun. And ta'awunun, to help each other. And in this bab, we understood last time that the contribution is there from both sides, है ना?
Yes,
Yani musharkat is there, partnership is there, fa'il and maf'ul, subject and object, both are working, right? Tafa'ulu. So that was bab number 5. Till here we did last time, right?
Yes, yes.
So this is our 6th bab today, inshallah. Bab in fa'ala. So if we read, yes, Khadija, would you read and just try to understand what is written here? This bab is?
Okay, where is, okay, in the heading, in fa'ala.
In fa'ala, yes.
Fa'ala.
And what is the normal pattern of fi'l madi? Fa'ala, है ना?
Fa'ala.
Fa'ala.
Yes.
Normal is fa'ala, right? So it's an addition of in the beginning. है ना? In. Simply, that's it. Nothing else. In. We added in. In fa'ala. In fa'ala. Yes. Read out, please. What else is there? This bab is formed.
Prefixing in. In fa'ala. What should I just read the textbook, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Kasara. Kasara. He broke it. In kasara, it broke.
What did you notice, Khadija? What did you notice?
Okay, something is done by itself now.
Yes,
Someone broke
something
it first.
exactly. So this is a change because we observe that always there is a little change in the meaning when we put it into
Yes.
muzid fihi. So they have given the example of fa'ala is the normal, है ना? I told you fa'ala is normal fi'l madi, and we just put in fa'ala. So definitely the meaning changes. Now they have given the example.
Yes, yes.
For example, kasara. Kasara, he broke it. Kasru matlab breaking of something. So kasara is a verb on fa'ala pattern, है ना? On fa'ala pattern,
Yes.
kasara, he broke, fa'ala, he did it. What does fa'ala mean? He did it. And
Yes.
kasara, he broke it, है ना? The concept is there, third person, singular, male, है ना? Kasara, he broke it. He broke it, right? Okay, it's a proper word.
Yes.
Kasara, he broke it. But when you put it into bab in fa'ala, it will be in kasara, and the meanings, look at the change in the meaning. It broke. Yani something happened by itself. And in other word, you can say yani the transitive and intransitive, we understood hai na, fe'le lazim and fe'le mutaaddi. So this is intransitive, right? Okay, another example. Let's see another example. qalaba. Qalaba matlab he turned over, palat gaya, wo palat gaya. In qalaba, it became overturned. Shaqqa, he split. यानी शक करना, किसी चीज को चीर देना, काट देना. ओके, यानी he split it. Shaqqa, the verb shaqqa, okay, it means he split it. Shaqqa. But when it is in shaqqa, it was split. Okay, so this is the meaning change in meaning we are observing. In qata'a, it was cut off. Qata'a, he cut off, right? If it is only qata'a, okay, it means he cut off. Usne kaat diya. Qata'a, usne kaat diya. He cut off. But in qata'a, it was cut off. I hope it's clear now, the meaning.
Okay.
Change in the meaning.
Yes.
Yes, Aisha.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Is that here the subject and object the common?
Yeah, yani, no, here, if you notice, it was cut off. There is no subject actually.
Okay.
It's without subject.
It was cut off means?
It was cut off. The object actually is the, active and passive, hai na? So it is kind of passive, where subject is missing. Okay.
So only object.
Only object. It was cut off. Who cut it? We don't know. It was cut off.
Yes.
Okay.
Hai na? So it's kind of passive tense. It makes it passive, you can say.
So it broke means it's broken, but we don't know who broke it.
Yes. Look at the example with the kasara. Kasartu. I have come here. Kasartu, because kasara means matlab broke, right? Kasartu on the pattern of fa'altu. Yani, if you remember now the tables we need to revise, right? Fa'ala. Anybody remembers the table? Any volunteer, mashallah, to tell me the table of fi'l madi? Fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'al.
Can I?
Yes, sure.
Fa'ala.
Let her try. Yes, Aisha.
Yes.
Fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alat, fa'alata, fa'alna, fa'alta, fa'altuma, fa'altum, fa'alti, fa'altuma, fa'altunna, fa'altu, fa'alna.
MashaAllah, barakallahu fiki. So you said fa'altu. What does it mean? Fa'altu. Yes, Aisha. Aisha Ahmed.
Yes.
Fa'altu. What does it mean? Fa'altu.
I did.
Right? I did. So kasartu is on the same pattern. What it would mean? I broke. Right? Kasartu.
Yes.
Because kasara, we know it means break. He broke. So kasartu, what it would mean? Kasartu.
Yes.
I broke. Okay. Kasartul finjana. Finjan means the tea cup. The cup in which we take tea. Tea cup. Finjan matlab tea cup. Okay. So kasartul finjana. Yes, Aisha Yasser, you can come.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Kasartul finjana. What does it mean?
That is I.
I broke the teacup.
Finjan means okay, the
Huh.
teacup.
Finjan means teacup. And you can observe there is a fatha on noon. Why it is so? Why there is a fatha on noon?
Finjana.
All are welcome to answer.
That is object or subject?
Object.
Something.
Yes.
Object.
Huh. Object always
Okay.
will be in Halafe
Halatun
nasab.
nasab. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
No problem. We'll keep revising this way only.
Inshallah.
Until it will be very, we will be comfortable on saying. So
But we are getting something somewhere, miss. Alhamdulillah. That is.
Alhamdulillah. We will get not something, many things, inshallah. Don't worry, inshallah. But
Inshallah,
your
inshallah.
steadfastness, mashallah, is commendable. That you people are, connected and you are, mashallah, regularly coming. That's the reason, inshallah, you will get for sure.
Inshallah.
Allah does not waste anybody's hard work, and especially the hard work which we are putting in on His way. How will He waste it? Inshallah, nowhere.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Okay, so kasartul finjana, right? I
Uh-huh.
broke the teacup.
Teacup.
Okay, now
Hmm.
look at the difference. In kasara, now instead of yani in kasara,
Hmm.
yani broke,
The.
na?
Huh.
Broke. Now
Huh.
nobody is doing it. It is happening by itself. In kasaral, and
Okay.
look at the finjanu. Look at the haraka on noon.
Ah, okay.
Observe this.
Just changes to sub. Okay,
Mhm.
okay.
What is the change now? In kasaral finjanu, the teacup broke. Yani
Broke.
the object, yani what broke? Teacup broke, na? But object
Teacup.
working as a subject, because normally we
Yes.
know Dhamma is on subjects.
Subject. Yeah.
So now the teacup itself broke. Huh? So yani the thing which broke is serving as a subject also. Yani we can't say it's subject. Look, note that finjan. They have given this note. Yeah, right? They are telling us note that finjana in the first sentence is object, isn't it?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Nice with fatha on noon,
Fatha.
right? Huh.
Yeah.
That it is an object. Okay, object of the verb. And it is
Okay.
called maf'ul in Arabic. Maf'ul
Yeah.
bihi. And in the
Okay.
second, it is the
It is
subject.
the subject.
Because
Fine.
it's the dhamma now.
Dhamma.
Huh. But we don't say that subject has done it. No, the thing has happened on the subject.
Okay. Okay,
Isn't
but
it?
we don't know the. Okay.
Ha. So
Okay.
in kasara, when we say, it means broke. In kasara, broke. What broke? Finjanu. Now it does not mean that they broke, but they themselves broke. Yani वो टूट गई. Yani फेले मुताद्दी concept is there. Lazim and मुताद्दी. ठीक है?
Okay. Active and passive.
Okay. Same way now. Another example. Here are some more examples. Fatahtul baba. Now again, I would like anyone else to translate. Khadija, would you come? Khadija, are you comfortable to come?
Okay, sorry. I thought it was unmute and I was speaking over here. So it was muted actually.
Acha. Okay, yes. Fatahtu. On what pattern it is? Fatahtu.
It is the same fa'altu
Fa'altu
pattern.
pattern. Fa'altu. And we know it means first person.
Fatiha from there. Open.
है ना? And Fatiha
Yes.
mean kholna, open. So fatahtu. What does it mean? I opened.
I opened.
And baba. Fatahtul baba. What does it mean?
Okay, bab means door.
Bab means door. Yes.
The door.
Fatahtul baba.
The door. Yes, I opened the door.
And look at ba. It's fatha on ba.
So it means
And
it is an
fatha,
object.
it is an object. I opened, and the verb of opening, where it is happening? It is happening on the door. So it's an object.
Yes.
Fatahtul baba, I opened the door, right?
Door.
Now we put
Yes.
fataha into in fa'ala pattern. So it will be in fataha. Now it means opened. है ना? What it will be?
Yeah.
In fataha, opened. Al babu, the door. The door opened. Now here we see that the dhamma is there. That is a symbol of subject. But subject is actually an object here in this bab.
Yes.
In fatahal babu, the door opened. दरवाजा खुल गया. खुल गया. किसने खोला वो नहीं पता. But दरवाजा खुल गया. प्यालियां टूट गईं. ठीक है. कप टूट गया. इस तरह से इसका तर्जुमा होता है फिर. यानी kind of passive tense you can say. But who did it? We don't know. And in passive tense also, if you people remember, we have done it. When in passive tense, normal passive जो होता है ना, fatahtu is normal फेले मावी. ठीक है. If we want to make it passive, it will be futihat. Futihat, yani passive tense. I don't know you people have practice on making passive or not, but it will be futihat. So if it is futihatil babu, then also it will mean that the bab, the door is opened. Okay? Chalo, anyhow, whatever you can understand, just keep it in mind. The passive tense, inshallah, will revise some other time. Okay, and you will understand that. But in fatahal babu, in fataha, whenever we understand that, okay, there is a noon added, because the root word is fataha, right? Now we have to focus on the root words also. The root letters are fataha. Where is this noon come from? So we will understand that it is in the pattern of in fa'ala. Okay, Khadija? We will recognize in this way. The root word is fataha. So where is this noon has come from? Right? So noon has come from the bab in fa'ala. Okay? So that's why it has become in fataha. And we know the difference of the meaning also now, that it changes the subject into an object. Okay? And the thing
the
has
object into the subject.
The door opened. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so in fa'ala and mudare is, where is mudare? In fa'ala yanfa'ilu. Note the pattern. In fa'ala yanfa'ilu. Note it down with you as you were noting down before also. In fa'ala yanfa'ilu. In fa'ala yanfa'ilu. And it's okay, one more important thing they have given here, written, Khadija.
Yes.
They have given another important thing. They said the amr, nahin, just a minute. The amr from this bab is formed by replacing the harf al-mudari with hamzatul wasl, yani because after omitting the harf al-mudari, the word commences with sakin letter, which cannot be pronounced. Yani in fa'ala, yanfa'ilu. So if we and we know that fi'l amr we make from fi'l mudari itself, है ना? So if you remove this you remove it, you can't pronounce it now.
Yes.
So then we have to put a hamzatul wasl, alif, right? And then and we know the rule already. How we give the haraka to hamzatul wasl? We look at
Based
the
on
ain
Ain
kalima.
kalima.
If it is a kasra or fatha, we give kasra. And if it is dhamma, we give dhamma. And now there will be no case of dhamma because there is fixed pattern of yanfa'ilu. It's not like sulasi mujarrad. है ना? In sulasi mujarrad, we can have yaf'alu, yaf'ilu, yaf'ulu. We have three patterns of fi'l mudari. But here we have only fixed pattern. I hope you remember this thing.
Yes.
When we started abwab, I told you this is easy because there is fixed pattern, only one bab pattern, one bab. Yanfa'ilu. Always it will be like that. There is no chance of yanfa'alu or yanfa'ulu. There is no chance. It's always fixed. Okay, so whatever is the pattern of fi'l madi and whatever is the pattern of fi'l mudari, it is always fixed in mazid fihi abwab. It's not like sulasi mujarrad. In sulasi mujarrad we have fa'ala or fa'ila or fa'ula, three wazn. Same yaf'alu or yaf'ilu or yaf'ulu. Remember, we have three pattern
Yes.
for fi'l madi and fi'l mudari. But here the patterns are fixed. In fa'ala will always be in fa'ala, yanfa'ilu will always be yanfa'ilu. And that's why fi'l amr will always be in fa'il. Right? Sukoon we have to give definitely in the end. So in kasir, break, tod do. In kasir, tod do, break. Okay? In qalib, turn over. It's an order now. It's fi'l amr. Okay? In qati', cut it off, right? It's an order now. And if you put la, so definitely it is to negate, hai na? And you have to make it sakin in the end. La tantadir, do not wait. Intizar karna hota hai na? Intizar karna. La intizar karna, intizar karo, wait karo. La tantadir, do not wait. La tankasir, do not break. Same as we have done a fi'l amr and a fi'l nahi. In fi'l nahi, we don't remove alamat mudari. But we give sukoon in the end.
Yes.
And the masdar pattern is infi'alun. So inqilabun, यानी turning over of something. कहते हैं इनकलाब आ गया वहां तो, इनकलाब आ गया यानी totally things have been changed, ups and down, बिल्कुल बदल गए, turnover, इनकलाब आ गया, इख्तिलाफ हो गया, वहां इख्तिलाफ हो गया यानी difference of opinion आ गया, to differ, इख्तिलाफ, मुझे आपसे इख्तिलाफ है, it means I have difference of opinion with you.
Okay.
So اختلف يختلف اختلاف. انشق ينشق انشقاق, splitting off. انشقت القمر, right? The Prophet ﷺ split the moon into two. So this word is used. So I hope it's clear, right? We have done all the pattern. Infa'ala, yanfa'ilu, infi'alun, right? So these are the main things we need to remember. And it is used, see, in the Quran, is a sama'un fatarat, when the heaven is left asunder. Yani fatar, matlab to cut into parts, yani रोजा इफ्तार करना है ना, यानी to break it into pieces. We just finished it. Breakfast के लिए भी फतूर लफ्ज होता है ना, तो left asunder, they have used a difficult word. وَإِذَا الْكَوَاكِبُ انْتَثَرَتْ, and when the stars have fallen and scattered, intathara matlab fallen and scattered, so they have been done by themselves, the translation. And we understand that alif and noon is now bab in fa'ala ki wajah se, due to in fa'ala. Shaqqat is a sama'un shaqqat. So all these are in 30th para, these. Intaliqu ilam, intaliqu, intaliqu. Now again, it's a fi'l amr. Intaliqu, intalaqu, sorry, not intaliqu. It's intalaqu.
Intalaqu.
Intalaqa yantaliqu. Why it is intalaqu? It wasn't the kasra coming there, है ना?
Yes, it should be
The
kasra.
pattern was ينفعل. नहीं, मुझे लगता है गलत लिख दिया इन्होंने. Let me check from the Quran.
Okay, okay.
It should be in taliqu. Sometimes the typing error also could be there, na? Let me
Means in
check
the
out.
next one also they have written same way. The next
What?
ayat is also like that. In qalabu.
Acha. Let me
After
check.
that.
नहीं, inqalabu. ठहरो. 77:29.
Yes, Miss Rifat, it's wrong here. It has to be in Taliko.
In taliqu, है ना?
Yes, I have checked
Did
in
you
the
check
Quran.
from
Yeah.
the Quran?
Yes, in Taliko.
So the next one should also be changed. In qalibu it should be.
नहीं. انقلبوا. That is فعل. See, وإذا انقلبوا. That is فعل ماضي. Okay. يعني and when
Okay.
they return. يعني this is فعل ماضي. يعني let me write here. What was the pattern of إن فعل, है ना? إن فعل. This is فعل ماضي. So here we have fatha. إن فعل. Try to understand. In فعل. This is normal فعل ماضي. Not normal, يعني in here. So in, if I put it in قلب, يعني this is just straight ba. In قلب. So قلب मतलब turn, है ना? Return or. So this is in قلب. He انقلب on in فعل pattern. And inqalaba, inqalabu. Now, if you keep on making the table, so inqalabu. This is yani inqalaba, inqalabu. This is third person plural, male plural. Inqalaba. So there it will be fatha only. Understood?
Okay.
Hana Khadija, because it is fele madhi's plural.
Pattern.
In fa'ala. Inqalabu. Inqalaba. He turned over. Inqalabu. They turn. They return. Right? So this is fele madhi. But here, when it was in the beginning, in taliqu, that was fele amr. In fele amr, we make from fele mudare. In fa'ala yan. You understand now? Yan fa'ilu. Yan fa'ilu. So this was on fele mudare. In tal, because they were translating it as an order. Depart you. Chalo, niklo. Right? So here they have translated it in fele amr. So that's why I said fele amr we make from fele mudare.
Dare.
Fele mudare is ayn. Kalima has kasra. So it should be in taliqu. It's like this, right?
Okay.
So if it is a, so here we can understand Khadija now. If there is a kasra, it means it's fele amr. ठीक है? And if there is no ya or noon, yani fail alamate mudare. There is no alamate mudare. So it means that has been deleted. So it's a fail amr. In taliqu. Depart. You all go out. For example, if I say in qalibu, right? If I say in qalibu, it means you turn, you return. I'm ordering them. But if it is in qalabu, it means they returned. So that fatha and kasra will help me to understand. Fatha is fele madhi pattern and kasra is fele mudare pattern, and fele amr is made from fele, because in here we don't have any alamate mudare na for fele amr.
Yes.
If it was fele madhi, it should be in talaqu. Then the translation would be they all departed. I hope it's clear. If it is in talaqu, so it means they all departed. But if it is kasra and there is no alamat mudare, then it means this is fi'l amr. Intaliqu, right? This is fi'l amr. I don't know it's clear for you or not, but I'm trying to make it. It's okay. It's okay if it is.
Okay.
But just make it. Just correct it that here is a kasra. In revision, inshallah,
Yes,
it will
miss.
be more clear. Just put it in taliqu, and it's an order. Okay, and order always we make from fi'l amr. Remember, fi'l amr. Sorry,
Yes.
fi'l mudare. So fi'l mudare always has a kasra, right? So that's why I could
Yes.
recognize that this is wrong. Otherwise, alhamdulillah, I have learned it also by heart. So I was saying, no, it is in taliqu. I have learned why it is in talaqu. So we could find out. Okay, so please correct
Miss,
it.
miss, one thing, miss, what is this alif at the end? When we
This one?
skip the noon, then we put the alif, right? In certain
Yes,
cases, when we
yes.
skip the noon, yeah. Is
Ha,
that?
yes. Yaf'aluna. If I write,
Huh.
just a minute. Let me write here. Yaf'ala, yaf'alu, yaf'alani, yaf'aluna. Right. So it was yaf'aluna, normal fi'l mudare, or taf'aluna. ठीक है? Taf'aluna. Right. This is normal fi'l mudare. Taf'aluna, they all do. Right. Taf'aluna, they all do. So if we have to make fi'l amr, okay, Khadija, the rule of fi'l amr is, if we revise it, we put sukoon here. Acha, but now let me first write then this also. Taf'alu. Taf'alu. This is our revision for fi'l amr, for making fi'l amr. Now we understood already. We have understood already that if we have to make fi'l amr from this, first of all we have to give sukoon here, and then we remove this alamat mudare.
Yes.
And if we can't read, we put one alif here.
Yes.
And according to this movement, we give haraka here. It will be if'al. है ना? If it is fatha or kasra, we give kasra. But if it is this way, there is no yani dhamma that we make it sukoon. So what we do, we just remove this all, noon rabi, and we put one alif to make sure that this wow we take it as the jama wow, not the harf madda, not like that. So taf'alu, and if we yani when we have to make sukoon, so to make sukoon we remove noon. This is the way how we make sukoon for plural sigha, right? This is singular, so we just give sukoon here. But if it is jama or tasniya, in both cases we remove this noon, and it one alif we put. Okay? And after that, after giving sukoon, what we do, we remove this, and now we can't read it, so we put one alif, and then according to this we give haraka. So if'alu, it means you all do. It's an order now. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, yes. So, yeah, so this alif is due to removing noon and putting alif as a sign of plural. If'alu. So now here also see, if it is in talaqu, what it will mean, Khadija, if we this also can be in this way, it can be correct, but the meaning will be different. What will be the meaning? The meaning will be that they all departed. In talaqu. If we read it in this way, it is correct. But what it
Not in
means?
order.
It means
It's
they
not.
all departed. This will be fi'l mudare. Sorry, fi'l madi. In talaqu.
Madi.
Madi. But if it is fi'l amr has to be from fi'l mudare, and fi'l
Yes.
mudare pattern we know it is in fa'ilu.
Yes.
So that's why kasra should be there. In fa'ilu.
There. Uh-huh.
Okay, so in fa'ilu ila ma kuntum tukazzibun. And in qalabu, this is correct. Now this is correct. And why this is correct? Because this is fi'l madi and plural of that. And they, when they. And there is a rule, just I'm telling you, when idha is added before fi'l madi, when we add idha, the translation we do it in fi'l mudare, not fi'l madi. In qalabu, it's normal fi'l, yani it's fi'l madi, but when idha is added, it becomes fi'l mudare. Translation becomes fi'l mudare, and when they returned, it's not now they returned. If there is no Khadija, if there is no idha, if it is one qalabu, so we will translate it, and they returned, because this is madi.
Okay.
One qalabu, and they returned. But if we add idha, and when they return, so the tense changes. Subhanallah.
Okay. Iza.
The tense changes. idha की वजह से फिल मादी
Tense change. Yes.
फिल मुदारे में तब्दील हो
बन
जाता
जाए.
है.
Oh.
This rule will apply everywhere. यानी when idha comes before fi'l madi, we translate it into fi'l mudare. وَإِذَا انقلبوا, and when they return إلى أهلهم, अपने घर वालों की तरफ जब लौटते हैं, to their family, to their own people, انقلبوا, they would return happily, gesturing, making signs, something like that. ठीक है?
Okay.
So anyhow, our focus will be inshallah on those three words: infa'ala, yanfa'ilu, infi'alun, madi, mudare, and masdar.
Masdar.
And the meaning is that it comes kind of passive. The thing has happened. The subject is actually the object in here. Okay? So that's enough for right now. If you can understand this much, it's okay, inshallah. So inshallah we'll move to Bab if ta'ala in the next week, inshallah. Yes, Aisha?
Miss, what about Ismul Fa'il and Maf'ul
Huh.
for this bab?
Let's try to make, they haven't given. Maybe they understood that we know now how to make it. So let's make it in fa'ala yanfa'ilu, है ना? From fi'l mudari only we make na ismul fa'il and ismul maf'ul.
Yeah.
Yanfa'ilu. Yanfa'ilu. So what was the rule for making it? What do?
We remove the alamate mudare and add
we-
mu. Mu we will.
We put a meme.
Meme. Yes.
So mun, and we give tanween here. Munfa'ilun. ठीक है, करने वाला. The
Yes.
pattern is same for all all sulasi mazid abwab. The pattern will be same. We'll pick up fi'l mudare and we exchange meme with alamat mudare, right? So munfa'ilun, the one who is munkasirun, for example, kasara, in kasara, yankasiru, है ना, the word which we draw breaking, right? In kasara, yankasiru, है ना? Yankasiru. So it will be munkasirun, the one who breaks. Munkasirun. ठीक है?
Yes.
Munkasirun, inshallah. Anything else? Okay, so inshallah we'll meet next Friday if there is no question. Inshallah. We are about to finish. I think 8 or 9 abwab are there. So inshallah next time we will start with bab number 7, inshallah. So 2 more will be there. Okay, inshallah. Yes, Nashmi, any questions?
Miss Rif, yes.
Yes.
Miss Rifat, I have a question. It's not related to our today's this class.
So shall
Like,
I, it is
yes, you can.
related to the grammar itself?
No, no, no.
So shall I stop the recording
Yes,
then?
yes.
Okay, okay. Okay. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم آمين يا رب العالمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته